Hello, friends, and welcome to the first ever podcast show by TH Video Sikkim, the pod that tells us what's good and what's old for young people making their way into the magic beats today. I'm your friend and your host, Selena Wong. In today's podcast, we have got a special guest, Sam the Illusionist. Without wasting much of time, let's listen to his story on his own voice. Welcome to the show, Mr. Magician.
Thank you.
When were you introduced to the world of magic?
In the year 2009, I first time watched one movie by the name Illusionist movie. Have you seen that movie?
Yeah, I've seen.
Yeah. So that movie is about magic and illusion. And then I got inspired by watching that movie. Then after that, I wanted to try some magic, and then I started performing that way.
So, what age were you?
At that time, I was around 16, 15, 16 because I was in class 9.
Okay. So, do you feel that you are influencing the young generation?
I think not only me, but every single person has an influence on their friends and the family and the social media groups that they are in. For example, you have Facebook and Instagram, so you have followers. I think whatever.
I've seen your videos on YouTube.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching my videos. And you also have an impact on every single person that watches your video. I think that every person has an impact on at least one or two people, even if they don't have a big, fan base.
Okay. So, who is your idol?
Actually, my idol has changed over the years. When I was
So you change every year.
no, not every year, but I realized that I passed through different phases of my life.
Okay.
When I was in class 9, I had different idols. Like I wanted to become like Chris Angel when I was in class 9.
Yeah, he was my favorite.
Yeah, your favorite magician,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, I used to watch a lot.
Yeah. Which magic do you like from Chris Angel?
The one he fly from another building to one building to another building. So that one was my favorite one.
That is very nice. Eh? It was amazing magic, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then my idol changed like recently. I right now I consider my idol as Eckhart Tolle. You know Eckhart? Never mind. Right?
No, I never.
Yeah. If you get free time, search on YouTube Eckhart Tolle. Okay. He is the person who wrote a book called The Power of the Present Moment. And I want to become like him right now in my phase of life.
Okay, so how do you learn the tricks? Magic tricks.
Yeah, actually, I'll show you one demonstration. Okay, I'll show you the first magic I ever learned.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first magic I ever learned was simple magic. Okay, like I have a finger over here, right?
All right.
So I'll just go like this.
Oh my god.
I'll bend it and then return it back.
Is it a magic?
No, everyone can do this. Okay. No, it is normal finger. Okay.
Okay, is
Yeah.
it normal?
It is normal. Rubber, not made of rubber. It is normal. Okay. I'll show you one advanced version. This is simple magic. Many people can do it. I think maybe you can also, but
No.
your finger will break. I
Your
think.
fingers are more flexible,
Flexible,
than
right?
mine.
Yeah. So, have you ever have you ever cracked your fingers? You crack your fingers.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, okay.
Sometimes.
So this is like different level of cracking. Okay, like
Okay. Oh my god! Oh
now once you can see the bone. Little bit.
no!
Once.
It's scary one.
Now what's okay? I'll put it back.
Oh my god!
So yeah, it goes back.
Do you feel any pain?
Yeah, I feel
And why do you do it?
lot of pain, but to become used to pain. Because when you become used to pain, no, you can do more better things.
So, what's your recent magic you have?
I have learned.
Yeah, you have learned or you have done in your schools and.
Recent magic, I was learning one magic. I'll show you, okay?
Yeah.
Instead of telling you,
Yeah.
it is better to show
I'd
you,
love
right?
to see. Yeah.
Yeah, but don't be scared, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it scary?
No, not that scary. Okay, watch this, okay? So first of all, check my hand, okay?
Okay.
Normal. Just see if there is anything inside, but
Should stand?
also you can stand and see, okay? Normal. Is it normal?
Mm.
Normal say nothing.
Yeah, it's normal.
Okay. Now watch this. Okay. I'll just go like this, you know. Oh God. Comes back to normal.
Yeah, it's normal.
Yeah, now again back to normal. I don't know if you understood the magic or not.
Is it?
It's normal, nothing, like I don't have anything inside, really.
Yeah.
It's just normal hand, really.
Okay, so this is your recent magic.
Yeah, this is one I have learned recently.
A scary one.
Did it feel scared?
Yeah, kind of. You know, I thought you said me that don't be scared. You know, I thought it's like I knew the scary when you told me scary. It means for me it's like spirit or ghost. You know.
Oh, okay. You thought spirit was going to come.
Yeah.
Someone
So
else
yeah,
was-
spirit, and you be a different person. You know.
Okay.
Yeah, I was scared of that. Okay, but
Okay, okay.
it's also kind of scary. Okay.
Okay.
So, can you tell us a few things about your recent spiritual content?
Actually, what happened was that during like COVID, no, that time there was lockdown, right?
Yeah.
So at that point, you know, I had a lot of free time. So what I did was I meditated a lot.
Okay.
Like, do you meditate?
Yeah, I do. But what kind of meditation?
Meditation,
you
like
do?
just sit down and then counting your heartbeat 2,000 times. Simple, like that.
That's simple. Okay.
Yeah, simple meditation. Okay, have you tried ever?
Yeah, I tried with meditation. I do like connecting with the natures, you know,
Yeah, that's good.
and meditations like according to the Buddhism text, you know.
Oh, right.
Yes.
Yeah. Meditation actually came from Buddhism only.
Right.
Yeah, it was created by Buddha, no? Yeah, yeah.
But not only Buddha, I guess there's many
Other-
yogis, you know.
Yogis also.
Yeah,
right?
yogis.
Yeah.
So that is the thing you learned the spiritual.
That's one day. What happened was that I was doing meditation. Okay, I'll tell you this. Okay. One day I was doing meditation and then everything was clear. Okay, like there was no voice. And normally there is a voice inside us, no,
Yeah.
that talks always, right? You might have realized that
Yeah.
voice is
Even
really
the voice, back voice.
back. Yes,
There
your
is
own
someone
voice.
always telling us something
Yes.
on your ear, right?
The voice inside
inner
us,
voice.
inner voice. Yeah, it is always there, no.
Yeah.
But during meditation, the voice just vanished.
Vanished,
Yeah, so nothing was there. It was just empty,
empty,
like space,
it's emptiness.
just emptiness. Okay, I felt at peace.
Okay.
I felt I felt like you know that was what I wanted to be the rest of my life.
So, who do you connect when you do meditations? You know, the connections, you connect with the spirit or you connect with the nature. Is there anything else?
You connect with nature, no?
Yeah, I try to connect with the nature, but I can't say that I'm connected to the nature, you know,
Okay.
but I try to connect, you know.
Actually, what happens is that when I do it, you know, like suppose if I wanted to like get some answer, then after like meditating and
You'll get the answer, you know.
yeah, I'll meet someone like in imagination, no, in your dreams.
Okay.
You can meet anyone, no, in your dreams. Though.
Yeah. Besides being a magician, what kind of person you are?
Person actually regarding that I cannot say anything, you know, because it is not for me to say what kind of person I am. You know? It is based on the other people. You know? For some people I may be good, you know? For some I may not be good. Eh? So it depends on the person's perspective. Just like I think that is how.
No,
it
I
is.
mean to say that you know, people see you as magicians, you know, the figure, the public figure you have. But I mean the real person when you are at home, at your comfort zone. So what kind of person you are?
Yeah, at home, like you know, I'm like you know, I like to play games also. Like I play PUBG, Mobile Legend, you know, like a small kid does. I enjoy that. You know, and, I like to listen to audiobooks and watch movies. You know? That's the kind of
So you're normal like other
normal. Yes, just
Alright. So, what would you like to give a message to a viewer?
Uh, I would like to say that thank you so much for Video Sikkim for inviting me to their first show, and also thank you to the host and to everyone, the cameraman also thank you, and I'll also thanks the viewers who have watched this far, because most people will not watch this far, right? So if you have watched this far, then you are doing. Thank you so much for watching it. On the if you want to see my videos, you can follow me on YouTube, Sam the Illusionist, on Facebook also same thing, and that's all I want to say for today.
This brings to the end of today's podcast. We would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Sam for taking out your time and talking with us. It was indeed a great pleasure to have you with us today. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more episodes.